Hello and welcome back to another algebra session, lesson 5.2, solving proportion equations. Today we're being asked to find the unknown number in a proportion. So for example, we have a number 4 or a ratio 4:5 or 4/5, and it's proportionate to another ratio, but we have an unknown number. In this case, it's n/15. They want us to solve for n. Now, the first thing to point out is that they are telling us that these two ratios are proportionate to each other, which means they are equal to each other. So whatever we work out on this side has to equal on that side in order for it to be proportionate. So we just do this as we normally do algebraically. We're going to take this 5, move it across to that side of the equal sign so that we have 5n. Remember, it is a denominator here and it moves to numerator position when we cross over the equal sign, so that gives us 5n. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side with the 15 and the 4. We're going to say 4 times 15. 15 because we know that these are fractions, and fractions mean divide, so we do the opposite when we jump over the equal sign. So now we're left with 4 times 15 equals 5n. When we multiply 15 4 times, we get 60. And then we're going to equals 5n. And then remember, we want to solve for n. So we've got to separate the n and the 5 from each other. So the 5 is going to move to this side, and it's going to go under the 60. And now we just have to work out 60 divided by 5, which is 12. So n is going to equal 12. We check our sum on this side just to double check. 4/5. Is it equal to 12/15? Let's check. 12 times 5 is 60, and 4 times 15 is also 60. So that we know that this answer is true and that n is 12.